Today we'll talk about how can you get free shares on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it here, then it's going to show for you like this. It's going to take you to this list here. Then just click here on get free shares here. So when you just click on it, then it's going to show for you like this here. Then here you click here on invite friends, and here can you invite friends to get this rewards here. So that's all you have to do. So just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.